Question 31. The value of square root of 768 into square root of 3267 whole divided by square root of 144 is. So the given expression, square root of 768 into root of 3267 whole divided by square root of 144. Here, let us write the prime factors of each number. So, prime factors of 768 are, so 2 into 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 3. So these are factors of 768, prime factors. So therefore, root of 768 is equal to, so root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 8 times 2 into 3. Therefore, it is, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 root 3, which is equal to, so 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16 root 3. 16 root 3. So the second number is 3267. Prime factors of 3267 are, so 3 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Therefore, square root of 3267 is equal to square root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 11, which is 11 into 3 root 3, which is 33 root 3. And the third number, so it is root of 144. So let us write prime factors of 144 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore, square root of 144, so it is root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, so which is 2 into 3, 2 into 3, so which is 12. Therefore, so the given expression, root 768 into root 3267 by 144. So, square root of 768 into square root of 3267 whole divided by root of 144 is equal to, so 768 is 16 root 3 into 33 root 3 whole divided by 12, which is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 16 into 3 into 33 whole divided by 12, which is equal to, so 3 into 4 is 12, 4, 4s are 16, 33 into 4. So it is 33 into 4 is 132. Therefore, the correct answer is 132, option C. Question 32. If x is equal to minus 2 by 3, y is minus 3 by 4, then x minus y to the power of minus 1 plus x raised to minus 1 minus y raised to minus 1, the power of minus 1 is equal to. So, given minus 2 by 3, x is minus 2 by 3, y is minus 3 by 4. Right? So, x minus y to the power of minus 1, x minus y to the power of minus 1 plus x raised to minus 1 plus, it is minus y raised to minus 1 to the power of minus 1 is equal to, so any number its negative power is equal to its reciprocal. That means a raised to minus 1 is 1 by a, right? Therefore, 1 by x minus y plus here 1 by x raised to minus 1 is 1 by x minus 1 by y, which is equal to, so 1 by x is minus 2 by 3, so minus of minus is plus 3 by 4, right? So plus 1 by x, that is 1 by minus 2 by 3. Here, so the minus of minus is plus 1 by 3 by 4, which is equal to, so we can simplify here itself. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So here 3 into 4 is 12. So minus 8 plus 4 into 3 is 12. Therefore it is plus 9 plus here, before going to the addition part, here it is 1 by 2 by 3 can be written as minus 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3, right? So which is equal to, so 12 divided by 1 plus here 1 by LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, which is, so minus 9 plus 8, right? So it is 12 plus here 6 minus 6 by 1. Therefore it is 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Therefore the value is option A, 6. Question 33. If A is 360, B is equal to 900, then LCM of A and B divided by HCF of A and B is equal to, here given A is equal to 360, B is equal to 900, right? So calculation, question part. Let us write the prime factors of A and B first. Prime factors of A, that is 360. 360 is equal to, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, right? So prime factors of 900, that is B, is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, right? Therefore, highest common factor. So HCF of 360 and 900. Highest common factor. So 2 and 2 are common here. 2 and 2 are common here. Then another 2 here in 900. There is no 2. So 3 and 3 are common. One more 3 and 3. Therefore it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and 5 is common. So into 5. Therefore HCF of 360 and 900 is equal to 180. Right? So 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 2, 30, 30 into 2, 60, 60 into 3, 180. So LCM of lowest common multiplier of 360 and 900. So come to the prime factors. So 2 into 2 into 2 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Therefore, it is 1800. Therefore, LCM by HCF. LCM divided by HCF is 1800 by 180, which is 10. Therefore, the answer is option B. Question 34. If a six-digit number 43x82y is divisible by 72, then what is the value of 2x minus y? Given number 43x82y, which is divisible by 72, right? So this number 72 is divisible by 8 as well as 9. So if a number is divisible by another number, which is 72, and that another number is divisible by some other number, 8 and 9, then the given number is divisible by 8 and 9. Therefore, the given number 43x82y is divisible by 8 as well as 9. So, we have to find the value of x and y here. In order to find the expression 2x minus y, we have to find the value of x and y. For that, we are using divisibility rule of 8 and 9 here. So, what is divisibility rule? Divisibility rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits of the number are divisible by 8. So say for example, randomly if I take 8, 2, 9, 7, 3, 4. So a number is divisible by 8 only if the last three digits 7, 3, 4 is divisible by, this number is divisible by 8. Okay, therefore what is the last three digits here? 82y. Since the number is divisible by 8, therefore 82y is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Therefore, what is the value of y here? So 82y by 8. You can verify it. Yes. 2 here 0. So if the value of y is 4, then only, so 82y is divisible by 8, right? 8 into 103 becomes 824. Therefore, y is equal to 4, right? Because 824 is divisible by 8 is equal to 103, right? So now we know the value of y. So how to find the value of x here? For that, we need divisibility rule of 9. So what is divisibility rule of 9? Divisibility rule of 9. So this rule tells a number is divisible by 9. Number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the number, is divisible by 9. Say for example, 81. So the number is divisible by 9. If 8 plus 1, what is the sum? 9, which is divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, right? Therefore, so let us find value of x here. So what is the sum of the digits? 4 plus 3 plus x plus 8 plus 2 plus, therefore 43x. 4 plus 3 plus x plus 8 plus 2 plus, what is the value of y here? It is 4. 4 is equal to, so it is 8 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 4, 18 plus 3, 21 plus x. So this number 21 plus x is divisible by 9. Therefore, 21 plus x is divisible by 9. By 9. Therefore, x is equal to, so what is the possible value of x here? So 9 into 3 is 27. Therefore, x is equal to 6, because 9 into or 27 by 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Therefore, what is asked? 2x minus y in the question. Therefore, 2x minus y. You consider this as equation 2. So, 2x minus y is 2 into 6 minus y is 4, which is 8. Therefore, the correct answer is 8. Option A. Question 35. 3 by 4 to the power of minus 3 into 3 by 8 to the power of 2 divided by 3 raised to minus 2 whole divided by 2 by 3 square into 4 by 3 to the power of minus 3 is equal to. Therefore, the given expression 3 by 4 to the power of minus 3 into 3 by 8 whole raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to minus 2 whole divided by 2 by 3 whole square into 4 by 3 to the power of minus 3, which is equal to, so 3 by 4 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 4 by 3 to the power of plus 3. Since it is 3 by 4 to the power of minus 3, it can be written as 1 by 3 by 4 to the power of plus 3. And this can be written as 4 by 3 to the power of plus 3, which is into 3 by 8 raised to 2 divided by, so 3 raised to minus 2. This can be written as 1 by 3 square here itself whole divided by, so 2 by 3 square into 4 by 3 raised to negative power can be written as 3 by 4, its positive power, right? Therefore, so 4 cube by 3 cube, that is 64 by 27 into, so 3 square by 8 square, 9 by 64 divided by 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9 whole divided by, so 2 square by 3 square 4 by 9 into 27 by 64. So this can be written as, we can simplify it. 64 will get cancelled. So 64 will get cancelled. 9 into 3, that is 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 9 whole divided by, so here also we can simplify. So 27, so 9 into 3 by 16, right? Therefore, So 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 9 into 9 by, which is 3, which is equal to 3 divided by 3 by 16, so which is equal to 16. Therefore, the answer is option C, 16. Question 36. One of the factors of 25 into x plus y whole square minus 36 into x minus 2y whole square is. So the given expression 25 into x plus y whole square minus 36 into x minus 2y whole square. Here, formula used is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Since the given expression is in the form of a square minus b square, so 25 into x plus y whole square can be written as, so 25 can be written as 5 square into x plus y whole square minus 6 square into x minus 2y whole square, which is 5x plus 5y whole square, right? So if you take 5 inside the bracket, it becomes 5x plus 5y whole square minus 6x minus 12y whole square. So which is in the form of a square minus b square. Here a is 5x plus 5y, b is 6x minus 12y. Therefore, the given expression is equal to a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to, so 5x plus 5y plus a plus b, 6x minus 12y into a minus b, into a is 5x plus 5y minus 6x minus 12. Simplify it. So 5x plus 6x, 11x minus 7y into, so 5x minus 6x is minus x. So minus of minus plus 12y plus 15y, which is plus 17y. So your factors are 11x minus 7y minus x plus 17y. Therefore, one of the factors of the given expression is, so minus x plus 17y. Option B is the right answer. Question 37. X square minus 4 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by x square minus 3x plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to. So, given expression x square minus 4 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by x square minus 3x plus 2 into x plus 2. So, here we are using the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Right? Since x square minus 4 is in the form of a square minus b square, so we can write it as x plus 2 into x minus 2, right? Into x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by, so x square minus 3x plus 2 can be written as, we can split the middle term, that is x square minus 2x minus x, so that minus 2 into minus 1 becomes plus 2, the third term. So plus 2 into x plus 2, which is, so here x, you can cancel x plus 2 and x plus 2. So it becomes x minus 2 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by, so let us take x as common term, x minus 2, x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2. Therefore, it is x minus 2 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. So we can cancel x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 1. Therefore, the answer is x plus 1. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Question 38. If 5x minus 6 into x plus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by 3 into x plus 1, then what is the value of 5x plus 6? So the given expression 5x minus 6 into x plus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by 3 into x plus 1. So let us simplify it. 5x minus 6 into, so LCM is 30. So 30x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 into x plus 1, which is equal to 5x minus 6 into 5. Therefore, it is 30x plus 1 whole divided by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 3. So it is 25x minus 30x minus 1 whole divided by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is minus 5x minus 1 by 5 is equal to, or we can take x to the LHS part, x by 3 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So again, the LCM of 5 and 3, 15. So here 3 into minus 5x minus 1 minus of, that is 5x is equal to 1 by 3, which is minus 15x minus 3 minus 5x is equal to 15 by 3. Therefore, it is minus 20x is equal to, so which is 5, 5 plus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 8 by 20. Still we can simplify. Minus 8 by 20 can be written as minus 2 by 5. X is minus 2 by 5. Therefore, what is asked here? 5x plus 6. Therefore, 5x plus 6 is equal to 5 into minus 2 by 5 plus 6, which is equal to 4. Therefore, the answer is option B. Question 39. What is the constant term in the following product? 2x square minus 3x minus 9 by x into 7 by x minus x. So constant term is the one which doesn't include any variables. So say for example x square, y square, z square, a, b. So in an algebraic expression, if a term doesn't contain any variable like this, so that term is called a constant term. So it can be a positive integer or negative integer, right? Therefore, the given expression 2x square minus 3x minus 9 by x into 7 by x minus x is equal to, so we can directly find the product. Let us take 7 by x first. 14x square by x minus 21x by x minus 63 by x square, consider minus x, minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus of minus plus 9x by x. Therefore, you can cancel similar term, that is x and x. Here also x and x. So here 1x, 14x minus 21 minus 63 by x square minus 2x cube here plus 3x square plus 9. Here minus 21 is a constant term and plus 9. Therefore, so consider only constant terms which do not have any variables. Minus 21 plus 9, which is minus 12. Therefore, 14x minus 63x square minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 12. Therefore, the constant term is minus 12. Hence, option B is the right answer. Question 40. After giving a discount of 15% on the market price of an article, a shopkeeper still gains 19%. By what percentage is the market price above the cost price? Here, given discount given by the shopkeeper, discount is 15% and profit earned by the shopkeeper is 19%. Right? So formula to be used here, market price by cost price. So the ratio of market price to cost price is equal to 100 plus profit divided by 100 minus discount. So it is not loss, it is discount. 100 plus profit divided by 100 minus discount. So in the second formula, profit is equal to, so it is profit, it is selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Right? So profit percentage is equal to, so for certain value of cost price, so the shopkeeper gains some profit. Therefore, for 100 cost price, therefore profit percentage is profit by cost price into 100, where CP means cost price, SP means selling price, and MP means market price. Right? So come to the calculation part. Calculation. Here, market price by cost price. So, calculation part will write here only. So, market price by cost price ratio. So, according to the formula, 100 plus profit. Here, in the question, profit is 19%. Therefore, 100 shopkeeper gains 19%. Therefore, it is profit. 100 plus 19 divided by 100 minus discount given is 15%. Therefore, it is 119 by 85. So, it is 17 into 7 is 119. 17 into 5 is 85. So the ratio is 7:5. So let market price be 7x, then cost price will be 5x. So we know the ratio of market price and cost price. So what is selling price of the article? Therefore, selling price is equal to market price, which is 7x, right? Therefore, profit is equal to, profit is, selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Therefore, it is 7x minus 5x, which is 2x. Therefore, profit percentage, according to the formula, so profit percentage is equal to, what is profit? It is for 5x cost price, profit is 2x, right? Profit by CP. For 5x cost price, profit is 2x. Therefore, for 100 cost price, it is 40%. Therefore, profit percentage is 40%. Option D is the right answer. Question 41. If F, V and E represent the number of faces, number of vertices and the number of edges respectively of a pyramid whose base is a pentagon, then what is the value of 2V minus 3F plus E? Here, let us consider a pentagonal pyramid. Here, number of faces, F is equal to 6, right? One is base and another other 5 are triangular faces, right? And number of vertices, V is equal to 6. So here 5 vertices on the base and 1 is at the top, right? So it is 5 plus 1. The number of edges, E is equal to 10. So 5 edges of pentagonal base and 5 edges of triangles. Therefore, it is 5 plus 5. Therefore, 2V minus 3F plus E. 2V minus 3F plus E is equal to 2 times 6 minus 3 times 6 plus 10, which is 12 minus 18 plus 10, which is equal to minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 4. Hence, option B is the right answer. Question 42. The length of the diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 70 centimeter. What is the length of a side of the rhombus? Here, consider a rhombus. So, in a rhombus, all sides are equal. So, the diagonals are given here. So, let S be length of the side of the rhombus and P and Q be the diagonals. P and Q be the diagonals. So, let S be the side of the rhombus P and Q be the diagonals. So given that P is 24, Q is 70. So I'll take P as 24 centimeter, Q as 70 centimeter. Okay. And the diagonals bisect each other, right? So in a rhombus, diagonals intersect at 90 degree and diagonals bisect each other. Since diagonals bisect each other, diagonals bisect each other, P by 2 is 12 centimeter, Q by 2 is 35 centimeter. Why do we need the value of P by 2 and Q by 2? To find length of the side of the rhombus. Here we have got a right angle triangle because diagonals intersect each other at 90 degree, right? So we have got a right angle triangle. So the side becomes square root of P by 2 whole square plus Q by 2 whole square because of Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, the formula here is S is equal to square root of P by 2 whole square plus Q by 2 whole square, right? Therefore, so length of the side is equal to, so P by 2 is 12 whole square plus 35 whole square, which is equal to 144 plus 35 into 35. One two two five. So which is equal to square root of 1369. Square root of 1369 is 37. You can check the answer. So the length of a side of the rhombus is 37 centimeter. Hence option C. Question 43. The interior angle of a regular polygon exceeds its exterior angle by 108 degree. The number of sides of the polygon is. So here interior angle given, interior angle minus exterior angle. So interior angle is more than exterior angle by 108 degree, right? Therefore, minus exterior angle is 108 degree, right? So here we are using the formula interior angle is equal to interior angle is equal to n minus 2 divided by n into 180 degree. So where n is number of sides of a regular polygon. Of a regular polygon, right? So and one more formula. So sum of the interior angle and the exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree, right? So come to the calculation part. Let x be the exterior angle. Let x be the exterior angle. Then what is interior angle? Therefore, interior angle is equal to x plus 108 degree, which is given. Therefore, interior angle plus exterior angle. So, exterior angle is x and interior angle is x plus 108 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 2x is equal to 180 minus 108. So 2x is 72 degree. X is equal to 36. Therefore, exterior angle is 36 degrees and therefore interior angle is equal to x plus 108 degree, which is 36 plus 108, which is 144 degrees. Therefore, number of sides from equation 1, which is interior angle is equal to n by 2 by n into 180. Therefore, n minus 2 by n into 180 is equal to interior angle. Therefore, so n minus 2 by n is equal to 1 minus 2 by n. So n by n minus 2 by n. That is 1 minus 2 by n is equal to interior angle is 144 divided by 180. Right? Therefore, minus 2 by n is equal to 144 by 180 minus 1. Therefore, 2 by n is equal to 1 minus 144 by 180, which is 2 by n. Therefore, 2 by n is equal to, still we can simplify, 180 minus 144 whole divided by 180. Right? Therefore, n is equal to 180 into 2 divided by 180 minus 144 is 36. Therefore, it is n is equal to 10. So, the number of sides of the polygon is 10. Question 44. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if AB is equal to DE, AC is equal to EF, and BC is equal to DF, then which of the following is correct? Triangle ABC is congruent to. So in all 4 cases, triangle ABC is congruent to. So let us consider 2 triangles ABC and DEF. ABC. So in which AB is equal to DE, AC is equal to EF, and BC is equal to DF. So triangle ABC is congruent to. So since AC, the first and the last letter, AC is equal to EF. So the first letter has to be E and the last has to be F. AC is equal to either E has to come first or F has to come first. Okay. E dash F, triangle E dash F. Check with other possibility, that is other sides. AB is equal to DE. AB, first 2 letters is equal to DE. DE and ED are same. Right? So the one condition is satisfied here. And BC is equal to DF, which is correct. And AC is equal to EF, which is also correct. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDF. Hence, option C is the right answer. Question 45. In triangle ABC, the bisectors of angle B and C meet at a point P. If angle BPC is equal to 102 degree, then what is the measure of angle A? Consider a triangle ABC. ABC in which bisectors of angle B and angle C meet at P. So that angle P is 102 degree, BPC is 102 degree. You have to find angle A, right? So given that angle BPC is 102 degree. So here formula to be used. So angle BPC. So angle formed by the bisectors of two angles in a triangle is equal to 90 degree plus angle A by 2. So the angle formed by the bisectors of two angles in a triangle is equal to 90 plus the angle formed at the opposite vertex by 2. Therefore, calculation. So here we have to find angle formed at A. Therefore, directly substitute the values. Angle BPC is equal to 90 plus angle A by 2. Therefore, angle BPC is 102 degrees minus 90 is equal to angle A by 2. Therefore, it is 12 degree into 2 is angle A. Therefore, angle A is 24 degrees. This is direct substitution of values here. There is one more alternative method to solve this problem. Here, in triangle ABC, BP bisects angle B and CP bisects angle C. Consider triangle BPC. In triangle BPC, right, angle PBC plus angle PCB plus angle BPC is 180 degree, right? So angle PBC is half of angle B because BP bisects angle B plus half of angle C plus BPC is 102 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, half of angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 102 is 78 degrees. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 156 degrees. So, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 180 minus angle B plus angle C. So what is angle B plus angle C? 180 minus 156, which is equal to 24 degrees. So both are same. Here also angle A is 24. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Question 46. The sum of mean, median and mode of the data 11, 14, 9, 30, 35, 17, 19, 28, 23, 48, 36, 30 is. So let us write the given data in ascending order. So writing the given data in ascending order. Here the least value is 9, 11, 14, 17, 19, 23, 28, 30, one more 30, 35, 36 and 48. So number of terms in the given data n is equal to, there are 12 terms, right? Therefore, mean of the given data, mean is equal to sum of all terms divided by number of terms. Formula is sum of all terms divided by number of terms, or sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Sum of all terms is 9 plus 11 plus 14 plus 17 plus 19, 23 plus 28, 30, one more 30, 35, 36 and 48, right? Divided by number of terms is equal to, which is 12. So the sum is 300 divided by 12, which is equal to 25. So the mean of the given data is 25. And the second one, mode. What is mode of the given data? So the number which appears most of the times in the given data. Therefore, so here the number 30, so which appears maximum number of times, twice. Therefore, mode is equal to 30. So the value 30 appears most number of times. Most number of times. Therefore, mode is 30. Median. So number of terms is equal to 12. For even number of terms, median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. So what is n here? 12. 12 by 2th term is 6th term divided by 2. So the given series, what is 6th term? So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 23, and 7th term is 28. 23 plus 28 by 2. 23 plus 28 by 2, which is equal to 51 by 2, which is median is equal to 25.5. Therefore, sum of mean, mode and median plus median is equal to, mean is 25, mode is 30, and the median is 25.5, which is equal to 80.5. Therefore, the answer is 80.5, option A.
Question 47. A box contains cards on which numbers 31, 32, 33 up to 69, 70 are written. Only one number on one card. A card is drawn from the box without looking into the box. What is the probability that the number on the card drawn is not a prime number? Here, probability formula. Probability is equal to total number of favorable outcomes. Total number of favorable outcomes, or total number of favorable events, right? Divided by total number of outcomes. Depending upon the situation, we can alter the formula as total number of expected outcomes or total number of favorable events divided by total number of outcomes, right? Here, a box contains cards on which numbers are written from 31 to 70. So, the numbers on the card. the numbers solution. Numbers on the card are 31, 32, 33, so on up to 70. Right? So here formula used is probability of an event is total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Right? So here numbers on the card are 31 to 70. So total number of cards, total number of cards is equal to 40. Okay. So prime numbers between or prime numbers from 31 to 70 are here 31 is a prime number, after that 37, then 41, so 43, 47, then 53 is a prime number, 59, 61 and 67. So these are the prime numbers from 31 to 70. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself, right? Therefore, total prime numbers are total prime numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 prime numbers from 31 to 70. So total prime numbers or total numbers, according to the question, what is asked here? So the probability that the number on the card drawn is not a prime number. So we have to find total numbers which are not prime. Not prime. So what is the total number? So there are 40 numbers from 31 to 70, and that 9 are prime numbers. Therefore, 31 are not prime numbers. Therefore, total number of, so this 31 is our favorable outcome. Total number of favorable outcome. Favorable outcomes is equal to 31. Therefore, the probability, so what is the probability that the number on the card drawn is not a prime number is equal to, so total number of favorable outcomes is 31 divided by total number of outcomes. That means total numbers from 31 to 70 is 40. 31 by 40. Therefore, the answer is 31 by 40. Option D. Question 48. A wire is in the shape of a circle of area 154 centimeters square. If it is bent in the form of a square, then what is the area of the square? Take pi as 22 by 7. So here in the question, a wire is in the shape of circle of area 154 centimeters square if it is bent in the form of a square. So then what is the area of the square? Right. Therefore, given, so area of the circle is 154 centimeters square. And the formula to be used here, area of the circle is equal to pi r square, and perimeter of the circle, what is perimeter of the circle? Circle is 2 pi r. right? So this perimeter of the circle is equal to perimeter of the square, which is already given. So perimeter of the square is equal to 4 times its side, one of its sides, because sides are equal. So we can equate perimeter of the circle is equal to perimeter of the square. From that, we can find out the value of the side, measure of side of the square. From that measure, area of the square. Area of the square is equal to a square, where a is each side of the square, right? So come to calculation part. Calculation. Here. So according to the question, pi r square is equal to 154. So area of the circle is 154 centimeter square. So that is pi r square is 154. Therefore, r square is equal to 154 divided by 22 by 7. Right? Therefore, r square is equal to 154 into 7 divided by 22. So 22 into 7 is 154. R square is 7 into 7. Therefore, radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, radius of the circle R is equal to 7 centimeter. So perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, which is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7, which is 44 centimeter. But this perimeter is equal to perimeter of the square because same wire is bent in the form of square, right? Therefore, which is equal to perimeter of the square. Therefore, what is perimeter of the square? 4 times its side, one of its sides. 4a is equal to 44. Therefore, a is equal to 44 by 4, which is 11 centimeter. So, side of the square is 11 centimeter. Therefore, area of the square is equal to a square, which is 11 square, 121 centimeter square. Therefore, the answer is 121 centimeter square, option D. Question 49. The length, breadth, and height of a cuboidal box are in the ratio 6:4:3 and its volume is 4,608 centimeter cube. Its lateral surface area in centimeter square is. So given. So length is to, breadth is to, height. Breadth is to, height is equal to 6:4:3, right? Which is given. And volume of the cuboidal box is 4,608 centimeter cube, right? So we have to find its lateral surface area. Formula. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Breadth into height. So the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 times its height into length plus breadth. 2 times its height into length plus breadth. So come to the calculation part. So since length, breadth and height are in the ratio 6:4:3. So length of the cuboidal box B 6x. Then breadth will be breadth is equal to 4x and height will be 3x. Therefore, length into breadth into height. So 6x into 4x into 3x becomes 4608, which is given. Therefore, 72x cube is equal to 4608. Therefore, x cube is 4608 divided by 72, which is 64. Therefore, x is equal to cube root of 64 is 4. Therefore, length is equal to 6x, which is 24 centimeter. Breadth is 4x, 16 centimeter. And the height is 3x. Height is equal to, height of the cuboidal box is 3x, which is 12 centimeter. Therefore, lateral surface area of the cuboidal box. Lateral surface area of the cuboidal box is equal to 2 times its height into length plus breadth. So what is height here? 2 times height is 12 into length is 24 plus breadth is 16. So 24 into 40, which is 960 centimeter square. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, 960 centimeter square. Question 50. The volume of a right circular cylinder is 396 centimeter cube and its height is 14 centimeter. What is its curved surface area in centimeter square? Taking pi as 22/7. Given volume of the right circular cylinder, volume of the right circular cylinder is equal to 396 centimeter cube and height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. So we have to find the curved surface area. Formula: volume of the right circular cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where h is height of the cylinder, and curved surface area of the cylinder, is 2 pi r into h, right? Therefore, where r is radius of the circular cylinder. Height is height of the circular cylinder. So calculation. So according to the question, volume of the right circular cylinder pi r square h is 396 centimeter cube. So pi r square h is 396. Therefore, what is pi? 22 by 7. R square we have to find out. And height is given, which is 14 centimeter. 3 is equal to 396. Therefore, R square is equal to 396 divided by 22 into, so 7 2s are 14, 22 into 2. Therefore, R square is 9. Radius of the circular cylinder is 3 centimeter. Therefore, curved surface area of the right circular cylinder is 2 pi RH, which is 2 into 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3 and the height is 14 centimeter, which is equal to, so 7 into 2 is 14. So 44 into 6, which is 264 centimeter square. Since it is area, 264 centimeter square. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Question 51. Which of the following teaching learning resources in mathematics cannot be used for visually challenged students? Here, resources that can be used for visually impaired children are Taylor's abacus, geoboard, and tangram. So GeoGebra cannot be used for visually challenged students. Hence, option D is the right answer. So what is GeoGebra here? So GeoGebra is one of the most innovative open code math software. So open code math software. It is an interactive geometry, algebra, statistics, and calculus application. It includes both commercial and not-for-profit entities. GeoGebra uses an exploratory approach to teach concepts of geometry. Therefore, option D is the right answer. Question 52. Which of the following is an example of teaching arithmetic using heuristic method according to National Curriculum Framework 2005? Here, the word heuristic comes from the Greek word heurisko. So, heuristics, it's a Greek word. Comes from heurisko, which means to find out or to discover. To find out or to discover. So this method refers to determining the best solution to the problem rapidly, efficiently, and effectively. So it is a problem-solving method that motivates students to learn through investigation and research. It aids in the acquisition of knowledge through self-study, self-learning, research, and exploration. It is also known as the troubleshooting method, as it helps the students in solving their problems on their own by self-exploration. For example, rounding off numbers to the nearest multiples of tens in order to add, subtract, or multiply, etc., as it allows children to discover answers. Therefore, option B, rounding off numbers to the nearest multiples of 10 in order to add, subtract, or multiply, etc., is the correct answer. So, exam is the example of teaching arithmetic using heuristic method. Question 53. Which of the following methods or approaches is not regarding mathematics teaching? Analysis, synthesis, rote memorization, problem solving, deductive, inductive. So teaching approaches or methods are the strategies adopted by the teacher to assist the students throughout the learning process. So approaches or methods to mathematics teaching are analysis synthesis method. One is analysis synthesis, problem solving, method, and deductive inductive. Deductive inductive method. So here, rote memorization is not an effective strategy for learning as it doesn't allow for a deeper understanding of the subject. Therefore, rote memorization is the method which is not regarding mathematics teaching. Question 54. Which of the following is the best description of ideas of value-based mathematics education? So value-based mathematics education is a method of teaching that is based on values. Method of teaching based on values. It fosters a positive learning atmosphere that improves academic performance while also developing students' social and relational skills. So here in option C, value-based mathematics education acknowledges and incorporates social, cultural, and political values in teaching learning processes. So which is the right answer? Social and cultural values that favor or support the social group or society and which concern the individual's duty to society as related to mathematics education. Examples from this category are cooperation, justice, and appreciation of the beauty of mathematics. Whereas when it comes to political values, a political perspective in mathematics education is a way of looking at how mathematics, education, and society relate to power. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Question 55. Which of the following sequence is correct for mathematical modeling? So, a mathematical model is a mathematical relation that describes some real life situation. So, it describes some real life situation. The process of constructing mathematical models is known as mathematical modeling. So, the process is called mathematical modeling. So the process of constructing mathematical models is called mathematical modeling. So in mathematical modeling, we describe a real world problem as an equivalent mathematical problem. We then solve the mathematical problem and the solution is interpreted in terms of a real world problem. After that, we check to determine if the answer is applicable to the real world problem. The stages involved in mathematical modeling are: first stage is real life problem. Then mathematical model. Mathematical model, that means a mathematical relation that describes real world problem, right? Real life situation. Mathematical model describing the real life situations. And the third stage is mathematical solution. So we find solution for the real life situation. And at last, the solution in the real world. The solution in the real world. Therefore, in option B, so stages are written in the correct sequence: real life problem, mathematical model, mathematical solution, the solution in the real world. Hence, option B is the right answer. Question 56. After the completion of topic parallelograms in a mathematics class, a student says a square is also a rectangle and that a rectangle is also a special type of parallelogram. The student sees that which level of geometric reasoning according to Van Heel's theory of geometrical development. So here the Van Heel's theory explains how children learn geometry. It proposes 5 different levels of geometric thinking. So 5 different levels of geometric thinking. Each level has its symbols and language. The levels are progressed step by the students. This hierarchical structure helps them in gaining better knowledge and achieving greater results in mathematics. So those 5 levels are visualization level or recognition level. Second one is analysis level, analysis. And the third one is abstract or relationship level. Abstract or relationship level. And the fourth level is formal deduction level. Formal deduction level or axiomatic level. Axiomatic level. And the fifth level is mathematical rigor level. Mathematical rigor level. So in the above example, so the student is at the level of abstract or relationship level. So option C. In this level, the students can define a figure using a minimum set of properties, make formal arguments about different shapes, and deduce new properties. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Question 57. Which of the following data sets cannot be represented using a pie chart? So a record of change in temperature in a day, percentage of marks obtained by students in a class of n number of students, ratio of number of students belonging to different states in a classroom, monthly expenditure of family in various sectors. Here, a pie chart is a pictorial representation of data. So pie chart, it is a pictorial representation. Pictorial representation of data in a form of a circular chart or pie, where a circle represents the whole data and each division of the data is shown by a sector. So like this, right? So when displaying a parts to a whole relationship, pie charts are useful. For nominal or categorical data, pie charts are utilized. When your variable has multiple levels, a bar graph should be used to visualize the data. So pie charts are used to display proportional data. The concept of pie slices is used to represent percentage of specific data from the entire pie. Here, if we put a record of change in temperature in a day, so in option A, so change in temperature in a day in a pie chart, then it will have many sectors and it will be very difficult to interpret the data. Therefore, so record of change in temperature in a day cannot be represented using pie chart. Therefore, option A. Question 58. Which of the following involves generalization from numbers and computation with the use of meaningful symbols? Geometric thinking, algebraic thinking, statistical thinking, and numerical thinking. So, mathematics is the science of structure, order, and relation, which emerged from primitive activities of counting, measuring, and describing objects' shapes. Algebraic thinking involves forming generalizations from experiences with numbers and computation, formalizing these ideas with the use of meaningful symbols and exploring the concept of patterns and functions. Here, option B, algebraic thinking involves generalizations from numbers and computation with the use of meaningful symbols. Hence, option B. Question 59. Which of the following is not an example of proportionality? Proportionality refers to the equality in the ratio of two numbers. So it is equality in the ratio of two numbers. Ratio of two numbers. When two sets of numbers increase or decrease in the same ratio, the two numbers are said to be proportional. So in option A, the ratio between candies and their cost is 0.8. Ratio between candies and their cost is 0.8. Whether they are 4 candies or 10, the ratio will remains the same. Hence, it is proportional. Hence, it is proportional. Proportional. In option B, Ravi's mother's age is 2 times Ravi's age at present. If Ravi's age is X, then his mother's age will be 2x. Let Ravi's age is 20 years. Let it be 20 years. Right. Then his mother's age will be 40 years. Right. It means that his mother's age is 20 years older than him. So his mother is 20 years older than him. When Ravi will be 30 years old, then his mother will be 50 years old. Right. The ratio between their ages is not proportional. The ratio between their ages is not proportional. Right. Therefore, option B is the right answer. So it is not an example of proportionality. Option B is the right answer. Check with option C and D. Option C. In option C, the ratio between the distance and time is 2.67. 2.67, whether it is 8 kilometer or 12. Hence, it is a proportional. Proportional. So, in option D also, so the ratio of teacher to student is 0.06, whether it is 2 teachers or 20. Hence, it is proportional. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Question 60. According to National Curriculum Framework 2005, which of the following is least effective to enhance mathematics learning in the classroom? Connecting concepts to real-life situations, giving frequent tests, using mathematical games and puzzles, creating competition amongst learners. Choose the correct option. So here, the goal of mathematics teaching at school is to build usable skills, notably in the areas of numeracy, numbers, operations, measurements, decimals, and percentages. The overall goal is to teach the student how to think and reason mathematically, as well as how to follow assumptions to their logical conclusion and deal with abstractions. So there are desirable practices for enhancing mathematics learning. So the practices are connecting concepts to real life situations. Connecting concepts to real life situations. So by relating the concept with the everyday experience of the children, the teacher can make the connection between students' lives and the concepts, which boosts students' engagement. And the second one, using games and puzzles. Using games and puzzles. Games and puzzles can be an excellent approach to engage students in a topic. Not only do they push students to be active rather than passive listeners, but they can also improve the overall efficiency of the learning environment. It fosters students' participation, concentration, and focus, and also helps in social and emotional learning. And the third practice is encouraging students for reasoning while problem solving. Encouraging for reasoning while problem solving. So the Teachers should create challenging and meaningful problems for the students to include hands-on activity in the classroom and determine if the students have actually learned the objective of the concept. And frequent tests should not be taken in the classroom as it places a greater emphasis on memorization than on analysis, creativity, or real understanding. And competition should not be encouraged in the classroom as it causes anxiety in the children, which makes it difficult for them to concentrate. Therefore, an option B, that is B and D. So B means giving frequent tests and D is creating competition amongst learners. These two are least effective to enhance mathematics learning in the classroom. Therefore, option B is the right answer.